Welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Have you ever changed some settings on your phone after watching YouTube videos or exploring different options, and then suddenly your phone started acting strangely? Maybe your phone feels slow, or your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera, or notifications are no longer working properly. If you're facing these kinds of problems, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Reset All Settings to restore your phone's settings to their default state. The best part is that this process will not delete your photos, videos, apps, contacts, or any personal data. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap Additional Settings. Next, tap Backup and Reset. Here you'll find an option called Reset Phone. Tap on it. You'll now see several reset options. Select Reset All Settings. If you can't find this option in the same location on your phone, don't worry. Simply use the search bar in Settings and search for Reset. You'll find the Reset All Settings option there. Before you continue, it's important to know what this option does. When you use Reset All Settings, all saved Wi-Fi passwords will be removed, all paired Bluetooth devices will be disconnected, app permissions will return to their default settings. Your display settings, brightness, sound, wallpaper, and other customized settings will be reset. Network settings will also return to their default values. In other words, only the settings you've customized will be reset. One important thing to remember, this is not a factory reset. Do not select the Erase All Data option below, because that's the factory reset option. With Reset All Settings, your photos will remain safe. Your videos will not be deleted. Your apps will stay installed. Your contacts will remain unchanged. All your personal files and data will stay exactly as they are. Only your customized system settings will return to their original default values. Now tap Reset All Settings. If prompted, enter your screen lock PIN, password, or pattern. Then tap the Reset All Settings button at the bottom. I'm not going to perform the reset right now because I don't need it. However, if you're experiencing problems caused by incorrect settings, you can safely complete this step. Before making major changes to your phone's settings in the future, it's a good idea to take a screenshot of the current settings. That way, if something goes wrong, you can easily restore the previous configuration. Also remember, there's no need to reset your settings every month. Only use this feature when you're actually experiencing problems. It's a safe system optimization method, but it should always be used only when necessary. So friends, that's how you can restore your Android phone settings using Reset All Settings without losing your personal data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel for more Android tips, mobile tricks, and technology tutorials. I'm Syed. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.